Okay, so it is the time of the year that I receive a fresh bouquet of flower again from my loved one. So this time I'm trying a new method to preserve it so I can actually maintain the colors of the flower and the shape of it. I got some extra roses from the charcuterie platter box. So here I am to start using silica gel as my new method of preserving flowers, and I am super duper excited for this project. So now I have 2 bottles of silica, so I will experiment it with the charcuterie platter rose. So here I have some very pretty baby wraps which is still fresh, so I'm gonna air dry these and I'll separate the roses as well, and I will use the silica gel to preserve the roses here. One thing about silica gel is that they are very fine in the size, so the wind is actually blowing. I have to get off the fan above me to continue the process. If not, I will just breathing in the silica gel scents. The process is fairly simple. I just have to imagine I'm playing sand by the beach. I just take some well that I can position the flower well, and also not to forget to add in some silica gel in between the petals. That I only have a very limited amount of silica sand, so I will have to distribute them evenly in the petals for each single flower, and to have enough to hold them in position so they are not flattened or being crushed in the shape. Well, on the online store, I do see some silica beads for preserving flower, but I feel like that will affect the texture of the flower after it is dried by the silica, because as the beads are larger in particle size. Fine powder silica works better with multiple petals flowers like roses, so that's what I got. And we shall leave this in an airtight container for the week and wait for the magic to work. So why an airtight container? Is because air contains water vapor. Once it gets inside our silica gel, it will not absorb water completely away from our flowers. So I ran out of silica gel. I got more, so join me to preserve the remaining flowers in the next video. Bye bye!